Hey cryptocurrency market team, it's Denny. I hope you're having a good day, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Dash wallet, and this one's fairly simple to set up too, so let's get right into it. If you go to Google and just type in Dash wallet, you'll see the first link, not the advertisement, but you could do the first link right here, which says Dash Wallets. So the link for this would be dash.org/wallets. And if you scroll down just a little bit, they do recommend best practices for security, and they recommend KeePassX.org. So if you look at that, this is a password manager that you can use, and this is highly recommended, especially from the cryptocurrency market team. I can make an additional video on how to set this up, but if you go back to the dash.org/wallets website and continue to scroll down, you'll see that you could set up a Jaxx wallet, an Exodus wallet, or the Dash Core wallet to do this. I will be using, they have it for Windows, OS X, and Linux. I'm using OS X, so I will simply click that, and I'll go under Dash Core where it says download DMG, and I would click that. And it instantly starts downloading. And just so you know really quick, I already made videos on how to set up an Exodus and a Jaxx wallet. I just wanted to show you that you could set up your own Dash wallet too at the same time. However, it is optional, and Jaxx and Exodus are very good wallets that you could use for all your Dash transactions. So if we go to the wallet now, and it does load, it looks like this. And there you go, a brand new Dash wallet. The tabs on the top say Overview. There's a send button right here. So you could send your address right here. You could put a label on it if you wish. And then you could put the amount of Dash that you want to put. If you look on the bottom right, you'll see that there's an instant send option and a private send option that is optional. If you click on the top, the next tab would be receive. This is where you can receive Dash now. So you can put a label on it. So let's say you're on Bittrex, you're receiving money from Bittrex. You go there. You can put in the amount of Dash that you want to receive, like 5. You can put a message if you want, test, and then you would click request payment. And what happens is this QR code pops up along with the address right here, which I copied and pasted right here. This is the address that you would use to receive, and you send it to that. And it's really that simple. If you click on the last tab, transactions, you'll see the list of transactions here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you set up a Dash wallet. It's really simple to do. And there you go, guys. That's how you set up a Dash wallet. It's really that simple. If you do have any questions, please leave a comment below and ask me. I am available, so I would love to help answer any of your questions. Do my best to answer those. If you do like these videos, please leave a like below to let us know that you do like these how to set up wallet videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.